Hello guys, this is Gayatri Negi and I'm an internal Lexis and company watching LexClick. In this video, I will talk about legal heir certificate. What is a legal heir certificate and who is a legal heir? What is the purpose of filing a legal certificate and what are the procedure? Basic things I will discuss. So, in a case of a sudden death of any family member, the legal heir must obtain a legal heir certificate to transfer the assets of the deceased to the legal heir. A legal heir certificate is an essential document for establishing the relations between the deceased person and their legal heir. When the death certificate is obtained from a municipality or a corporation, then the successor or legal heir apply for the legal heir certificate to claim their right over the deceased person's property or dues. Who is a legal heir? In simple terms, a legal heir is a surviving family member, but under Indian laws is considered to be a legal heir, which is could be spouse of the deceased, daughter of the deceased, son of the deceased, father of the deceased, or mother of the deceased. What are uses of a legal certificate? It could be used to claim for insurance, claims for pension, retirement schemes, etc., claims for any central or state government scheme, or transfer of assets. What is there any eligibility for legal heir certificate? So any legal heir can claim a legal heir certificate by filing an application before the municipal corporation or before the tehsildar. An application must contain the names and details of the legal heirs of the deceased person. Procedure of getting the legal heir certificate. So it has basic steps. First, you need to visit the tehsildar. You can quickly search for the tehsildar office only to know the location. Obtain the application from the tehsildar. Fill out the details which are mentioned in the application form. Attach all the documents which are asked for in the form. You can also access the necessary documents on the internet. Affix a stamp of 2 rupees to the application form. After that, you will submit the application form to the tehsildar office only. Then your application shall be verified by the revenue inspector and the village administrative office. After that, he or she will get the legal heir certificate within 30 days. In case you do not receive the certificate, then you should approach the revenue division officer or the sub collector. So, what are the documents required for legal heir certificate? The documents, that are certain documents that you need to attach with the application. First is a notarized affidavit, ID proof of the applicant, original death certificate of the deceased person, address proof of the deceased person, birth proof and date of birth of all the legal heirs of the deceased, letter from the government department of the deceased employee to obtain the legal heir certificate from the DC office, residence proof of all the legal heirs, code fee rupees 1.25. So these are the basic things, essentials, document that are required. So this was all about legal heir from my side. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.